How much does it cost to varnish and sand parquet flooring? Are you looking towards lending your parquet floors a new lease of life? Sanding and varnishing of your floors serves to be an excellent option. Points to consider. When it comes to polishing timber or parquet floors, you have two choices: hire an expert or DIY. You can do it yourself if you have proper knowledge about the floor sanding. Now, the cost of hiring the sander is estimated to be around $80 to $100 on a daily basis. You will also require a sealer, wood filler and a roller, along with a specially designed brush, a floor pad, hammer, mop and bucket, varnish and a few other essential tools. Timber floor polishing: how much does it cost? Most floor polishing businesses in Singapore and most other parts of the world tend to charge on a per square meter basis. In general, the costs differ from $15 to $35 per square meter. This includes the process of sanding and polishing. In case you require any other services or special touches like odorless water-based varnish, then it will add further $10 to $30 per square meter to the bill. For instance, if you desire to include staining to alter the appearance of your old-looking timber floors, then you are looking towards an additional $10 to $18 per square meter. Though these may cost considerably less, around $13 to $17 per square meter extra than the usual full polish and sand, the final result fails to be as spectacular. It is important to note that the costs mentioned above are mere estimates and will vary in accordance to the extent of work on hand, your location and the fee structure mentioned by the floor polishing expert. Getting the quote for your floor polish. It's best to look around for recommendations and testimonials before asking for a quote. You may like to ask your neighbors, family members or colleagues for leads in regards to choosing the best providers for your immediate requirements. So, instead of waiting any longer, get in touch with a reliable service provider who is capable of handling your sanding and polishing needs and gear up, say hello to your better looking floors today.